Here's how to download and play Blockman Go on your PC or laptop using LD Player. Blockman Go is a mobile game, so you need an Android emulator to run it on a computer. LD Player is a great lightweight option that handles it well. Open your browser and go to ldplayer.net. Click Download, run the installer, agree to the terms, and click Install. Wait for LD Player to finish setting up and launch. Once inside, search for Blockman Go in the LD Player search bar, or open the Play Store directly and search there. Click Install and wait for it to download. Once done, launch the game from your home screen. Log in with your Blockman Go account if you have one to keep your existing skins in progress, or start fresh if you are new. The game offers multiple mini-games inside it, like Bed Wars, Sky Wars, and Egg Wars, so it's worth exploring the different modes to find what you enjoy most. LD Player's key mapping works well for Blockman Go. You can configure WASD movement and mouse aiming for the action modes directly in the key mapping editor before your first game. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.